Okay.
Hey. Hi, my name is Joe Monahan, and I'm with Envisions by Marble Discount. We are located in Rogers, Minnesota, and we are very excited to announce that we have now become a new preferred vendor for the CCA Global buying group. We're very excited to start working with all the dealers that are involved with CCA Global. We are really looking forward to the companionship and service that we can provide for you. The product line we're going to show you here in a moment, we are a distributor and we import glass stone lines. It's a very compatible designer stone line. We feature roughly about 80 different items here that we'll be showing you. And we want to start out with our key product is the 4x12 glass. We feature 12 different items in our 4x12 glass. And as I mentioned before, this product coordinates with a lot of our other products. So if you're trying to find something that's going to work with one of our colors in the solid 4x12 glass, you're going to find that glass in different staggereds, 1x1s, 5/8, the different items that we carry. So it makes it real easy for you to work with your designer or your homeowner in showing different products that's going to all coordinate together. So we're going to start out, as I mentioned, we have the 4x12 glass. We have it in 12 different colors, and it works together with different products like I mentioned. As an example, here's some staggered, slate staggered, and you have the 4x12 glass, the same color glass that's in the staggered. So if you wanted to use this as a feature stripe, you can certainly do that. So again, we want to just really focus that it is a nice designer line. Starting out, we'll start with our staggered glass. We have the different marbles in 6 different colors that we inventory. And this product, again, it's going to come on a sheet with 18 rolls. Every 6 rolls, the pattern will repeat itself. So if you wanted to do a feature stripe, every 6 rolls, it will just lock together. And this makes it extremely compatible or price conscious also, as you're going to get 3 lineal feet out of 1 sheet of the different staggered items that we are carrying. Again, this does work with 4x12 glass. And then we also want to point out that the stone that's in this item, if you would like to put this on your floor, we would have this available in a 12x12 that we could also get for you. So we have the different staggereds. As I mentioned, we have 7 colors here, and we also carry the same colors in our staggered glass in our 1x1 stone of glass. As an example, you have the jade right here in a 1x1, and then you have the jade also in the staggered. The golden onyx, the cream of marfil, and then you have the opal with the opal, the Imperador stone with the Imperador staggered, the Noche stone with glass with the Noche staggered lines also that will coordinate. Another line that we carry that we do extremely well with is we call it our micro brick. It's going to come on a full sheet. We have it in 3 different colors that are going to be a polished stone, the onyx, kind of your Carrara, and then this is your cream of marfil stone in here. They are interlocking sheets. They will come in the 3 colors, and then we also have in the travertine split glass. This is a natural stone. Other stone products that we are carrying, we have our 5/8 by 5/8. This is polished, and you also have a 2x12 polished chair rail. And then you would have, this is our triple bar pattern. As you can see how the pattern goes different angles there. And then you will also have a polished pencil in the Carrara. We also carry the same 2 in your Imperador with the polished finishes on the sheet mount goods, and then the pencil and the chair rail also is a polished. We carry some 5/8 by 5/8. We only have 4 colors that we're offering, but again, we're offering some different looks. We have this one right here, the Raleigh. It's going to have your metals. We have the Brady, which works great like with your stainless steel products. We also have the 5/8 by 5/8 in this color, and again, there is your 4x12. This is the Bridgewood. Our last 5/8 by 5/8 that we're carrying, we carry this, and this has our crushed foil in a little 5/8 by 5/8, again with the frosted and then a solid glass. 1x1s, we have a nice variety of 1x1s. If you wanted to go with something that's just going to be in a solid color, we have 6 items right here, and these are 100% recyclable. So if you're working with a designer and architect that is wants to have your lead, your points in that, or wants something that's going to be recyclable, those 6 colors are available. We also have in a 1x1 3 colors that we're carrying, and this is a 4 mil product. The rest of our product is going to be an 8 mil thickness, but the recyclable is 4 mil, and then these 3 colors are 4 mil. This is a great line if you're working with a builder and you're looking for a price point for your backsplashes and that. This is $5.99 a square foot. And the other that we want to talk about, I'm just going to bring it up right now. We have a great shipping program. All these products that you're seeing here, if you wanted 4 square feet of any item here, it's $12 a square foot shipping to your door. If you had 5 square feet, 50, 500, anything over 5 square feet, it's $25. So your sales staff in the store, they always are going to know what their freight charges are and what your landed cost is. No guesswork saying we're going to wait till we get a freight quote or we need to find out how much freight it is. So you don't need to scare your customer with freight. You know exactly what your landed cost is. It's either $12 or $25. Other 1x1s that we carry, we have a lot of nice variety of finishes. A little crinkled glass. This one right here kind of gives it a little 3D look that you can give that illusion that it's a 3D in the depth there. Some crushed porcelains in the beige and brown, and then also in the white. Another item, again, it's going to have your frosted glass and your slate stone. Works great again with your stainless steel. Some gold colors. Going to have different little embossed items on there. And then another one with some metals. Again, that 3D look, how it gives that visual look. And another 1x1 and a little bamboo look. And then we also have a darker bamboo look with a frosted glass and some stone in there. Some 2x2 items that we carry that we do extremely well with. This is our foil series. We have it in 3 colors. And then we also carry a 2x2 that has a deco piece, a frosted glass, and then a polished glass. This is going to be a third, a third, a third. So you're going to get a nice spread on a sheet. The backs of these sample boards and all the sample boards will have a label with a full picture of the item and then the item number. So you can identify exactly by the coating on the back of the boards. We do carry a 1x2. Again, it's in some blues and grays. Again, it's going to give that little depth look. We also are carrying 3 different ovals. We have the solid glass like that. We have one that's going to be solid glass and then also your frosted glass, and one other oval that's just solid glass. Another line that we carry just in the 1 color, this is our Mystic series. This is the watercolor, and again, it's going to tie in with some 4x12 glass. Now this particular item is going to come on a full sheet, and you can again cut this to get 3 lineal feet out of a full sheet, and your price is going to be a little over $5 a lineal foot. So that makes for a great border. Our other series that we carry, this is our Mod series, and we have this in 3 colors, the Royalty, the Metro, and again the Water. This is going to come in a full sheet, and it also is available in a 4x12 border. It's very hard to cut the full sheets to make a border, so we offer it both ways. The last line that we carry here is our weave, and we have it in a couple of different blues. And this will come on a full sheet also, and then also in your beige and your brown. And then the last few lines that we have here are some more staggered glass. We have some that are going to have a slate finish, ones that will have some metals in it, and again, a smaller item just has the smaller versus an 8-inch lineal strip. So we have all this different product, and again, like I said, it's very much a coordinating product. You can use different items together. We've had people that have taken a couple of different colors of just a 4x12 glass, or they've taken, I've had one that took the latte and the white. They used all three of those items together as a backsplash, and then they threw in some of our micro brick in a sand dune and used this as a feature stripe. So again, you can really be very creative, work the products together. We have our great shipping program. We're excited that we're part of the CCA Global Buying Group, and we're looking forward to being a supplier for all the dealers that are involved with CCA Global. One other line that we are also offering is our pebbles, and this is going to come in a little basket like this, and you'll have 28 items in here. You'll have the smaller split pebbles, and you'll also have just the smaller pebbles, or you could get a larger pebble. And we also have this standing up. This is great for fireplaces. Or we would have a larger weave or a split stone. One other line that we do carry in this also is called our orbiters, coinage if you want to call it, circles. This comes in 6 different colors, so we offer a lot of this. A lot of different stones and different patterns. And again, these stones, they come in the same color in a lot of the different different size stones. So if you wanted to use a split stone for your floor, and then you wanted a pebbles on your walls, you can get them in the same color. So they really work together. Another great sales tool for in your store showing this product, because this is great if you use a sealer on here, an enhancer sealer. But if you just take a little wet rag, just for demonstrating purposes in your store, just get it wet. It shows how it pulls the color out of the stone. Or even just use an enhancer on half of your stone to show your customer what it looks like after they put an enhancer sealer on there. So again, we are really looking forward to working with CCA Global Dealers. You can reach us via email. It's joe@marblediscount.net, or our phone number is 763-494-8663. Thank you for your time, and we are really looking forward to working with you. Kind of stuck, didn't it?
No, I thought it was good. I was like getting tired. No, I thought it was good.
Maybe just play it back quick. I did forget to show the display, which that's no big deal.
No.
I mean, I think we covered the product fairly well. I said a lot of same words again, but you can cut those out, can't you?
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of not. And I didn't say like or like, but
No. It was
was
really
that quick?
fun.
How long was it?
It was 10 minutes.
That was 10.
14 minutes.
That was that long, huh? Wow. Because I was purposely trying to speed it up a little bit because that seems pretty long.
It's kind of long, but the topic is this is more educational than really trying to sell.
I guess we have to watch it just to see it.
I love it when you combine the various tiles together, just kind of giving them examples.
Did I do enough of that?
Yeah.
Okay, because I mean, I kind of showed, this one, and we did talk about the 18 rolls. Talked about the different products, so.
Yeah. What was I going to do? Oh, I was thinking maybe if we could do just a little tip video on enhancing stone. Whether you want to just do the pebbles or whatever. I think that's a great little, since we're doing this, if we could do that now, I think that'd be
Just a
super.
tip and
Yeah.
talk about,
Yeah, just say,
Do we
it's
wanna-
Joe, giving you, want to talk to you a little bit about a neat way to either
do
present.
we want to do this on this table or do we want to do it somewhere else?
I mean, I like, the table looks good. If you want it, do you want to make room for it, or?
Well, that's what I was just saying, do we want to, because all we're going to do is basically talk about the stone, right?
I would guess if you're going to do an
I mean,
enhancer.
can I just move half of this stuff and you can just,
Yeah, let me just take one quick swath of the,
because I think what we'll do is just, maybe just leave this up and look at the video if we want to do
Yeah.
another take, it's up.
yeah.